So, tell us about your family.
Captured for the rest of the day. There's not much to tell. I have 2 children. I work as a manager in a long-term care facility. My husband's a mechanic. My grandson was here, my oldest. I have 3 grandchildren, I think.
And where do you live now?
Where do you live?
Oh, I live in Liberty, Missouri.
Do you have pets?
We have a Pomeranian.
Fashions in the family.
I say, in the family.
Yeah, Pomeranians, yeah.
Yeah, I think we started them off on Pomeranian.
And now?
Her daughter started the Pomeranian.
Yeah, we've had him since he was a baby.
What memories do you have with Grandma Rose and Grandpa Buddy?
Spending the summers. Always spent the summer with Grandma Rose. Sliding down the hill and getting in trouble with Grandpa.
He didn't want you on that hill.
He didn't want me on his grass.